What's up, Truth Team? So we are here again. And again, welcome those from the YSL sector, okay? Welcome to the fun and the ups and downs of the roller coaster ride that we call the Ynw Melly content, okay? And like I told y'all previously, if you thought Fulton County was something, you haven't met Broward County, and you definitely haven't met State Attorney Buckaloo, okay? With that being said, y'all remember the last time we had a conversation about Ynw Melly and the status of his hearing? The judge said, and you know what? Without me quoting, let's just listen to what the judge said.
We had Mickey Truth.
Who is this? You got Mickey Truth kicked out.
Shout out Mickey.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth.
This is what I'll do. I'm ordering you to turn over a copy of the search warrant. I need you to get that to me. A week from today, that's January 14th. End of the day, January the 14th, that comes to me, and then I'll review it and then I'll distribute it as I see fit.
So today is January 14th, 2025. Very precise date, right? Because the judge said to have what he requested to him by today for in-camera review. Well, old Broward County, they provided something, but it wasn't what the judges asked for. Okay, so let's go over to the paperwork for this. Okay, so the state memorandum of law regarding attorney conflict. So they said, hey, judge, forget the search warrant, the affidavit, whatever you wanted. We're going to give you a motion instead, okay? And in this document, we're not going to go verbatim. Y'all know we don't do it like that over here, okay? One of the reasons is that back on December 27, 2024, a motion was filed for hearing to determine potential conflict. In this motion, it states the defendant's attorney, Raven Liberty, was informed on December 18, 2024 by Apple that on December 13, 2023, that her Apple account information had been provided to Broward Sheriff's Office pursuant to a search warrant. Then it says, on Monday, January 6, 2025, this court heard the defendant's motion. In addition, on January 6, 2025, okay, the state filed a motion for a rehearing reconsideration. I'm starting to see a trend, Buckaloo. Yeah, you don't like to be told no. You don't like to not get your way because you file a reconsider motion every time the judge ruled against what you want. I see the play. Hey, Bradley ain't had that type of spunk, but Buckaloo damn sure be on it. Okay, so she goes into the ethical obligation that Miss Liberty has, and that, hey, if it is an actual conflict, the attorney have to like withdraw, blase. Okay, let's go to the next page. On the next one, wait a little bit, because you know they like to give their numbers. And basically, y'all, when we get to the end of it, it's going to be, yeah, we don't want to give it up because it's going to hurt our case. That's going to be the gist of it. All right, so it goes on to say on January 7th, the court entered a written order ordering the state to provide a copy of search warrant to the defendant to determine his potential conflict over the state's objection. And then, right, it says that also the court spoke to the defendant on how it was his decision and his decision alone to determine whether to keep Miss Liberty. Then it goes on to say it is not, y'all see number 6. It is not the defendant's decision. The United States Supreme Court has recognized that the Sixth Amendment right to counsel is circumscribed in certain situations. Damn Buckaloo. Okay. And it goes into the law with that. And y'all can read that on your own disclosure. It continues on to talk about the Supreme Court and his rejection of argument that waiver of conflict occurs a violation of the Sixth Amendment. It also goes on to say number 8, which is very spicy, okay, for a legal document. It says, at issue here, it is the alleged criminal conduct involving Raven Liberty, one of the Demons for attorneys. Clearly, after reviewing the search warrant in camera, there can be no doubt that actual conflict is present, squarely involving a personal self-interest of Ms. Liberty. Moreover, this alleged conduct, if true, involves multiple violations of the rules regulating the Florida bar. They're coming for you, Raven. They are coming for you. You already see. I take this as they're about to try to make you a co-defendant on that case just to prove their point to get what they want. And you know Buckaloo don't care. She ride that thing to the Supreme Court to hold all this shit up to get her time. Because you know, little side note for those that are new to the Melly sector, we are here right now because Buckaloo asked for more time when she took over after Bradley was kicked off. And the judge said, no, we got to keep this is a death penalty case. Now, Judge Murphy is retired, right? But before he retired, she said, no, we need to reconsider this. And he said, nope. And then she said, well, guess what? Going to the Supreme Court because I don't like to be told no. And again, like I said, this is not the 6ix9ine murder case, right? And like I said before, she probably did her thing with all those snitches on the XXXTentacion case, but we are seeing her in true colors on this one, okay? So let's keep going. Let's go to the next page. Now, it continues on to say, more case law. We're not going to go over that because most of us is not going to listen. But old Buckaloo down there signed off on it. So, not only did they file the memorandum of law, they filed a motion for protection order. And we all know, or do we all know what that means? Well, let's kind of take a look at the document here, okay? So it says, again, it goes, and y'all know what they like to do. They like to repeat themselves in every document. So we're going to go to the next page because we already read that. Now, we're going to definitely come down here to number 6. They love putting a juicy one at number 6, okay? So number 6 said, denying such a protective order would greatly impede the current investigation, allow suspects to avoid apprehension, and or allow for destruction of evidence. What I told you, they was about to make her a defendant, okay? Now, that's just what I'm taking from it. I'm telling you, Broward County played dirty. Fulton County, Miss Love ain't got shit on Buckaloo, okay? Buckaloo came in swinging since the day that we saw that blonde hair come. Is it blonde? Anyway, we saw her walk through the door. Now, with that being said, where does that stand? Where does it leave the case? Well, it's up to the judge. Now, Truth Team, you may be like, well, Mickey, she didn't follow the court's order. See, that's the love part of the law. You can kind of get around disregarding the order from the judge by filing a motion to say, I'm not doing what the fuck he said because this is why. So now the judge is going to have to rule whether or not, guess what, he's going to grant these motions or deny these motions. And in my opinion, I feel like because I don't know. I really don't know if, like, legally, which way that's going to go. But in my unwanted opinion, if the judge denies either motions, Buckaloo is going to take it to the Supreme Court. I promise you that. She's going to wrap this case in so much extra litigation to the point if freaking Melly don't plead out or something, she's not going to go down without a fight, and she's going to be swinging. I'm talking about windmill. But y'all, let me know y'all on one his opinion on this. Tell me what you think. I mean, at the end of the day, whether you think he did or did not, this is not fair. But it's legal. Ain't that some shit? Catch you on the next one.
And like I said throughout the video, that's my opinion. And if you don't like it, guess what?
I'm like, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast.
What's up, Truth Team? I am here, okay? About to get a touch of love. Yes, I'm at Touch of Love Massage Shop, okay? Now listen, I've been getting my massages through Touch of Love for years, even before it was a shop to come to. But let me show you around, and then I got to get ready because I'm feeling a little tense. And let me tell you, if you work in like call centers, streamers, YouTubers, sitting at that desk all the time, you definitely need to be tapping in to get your massage. So let's take a tour.
So it was located in a nice business building. The suite was set up real comfortably. It was like to the back, and the candles was burning. The aromatherapy was definitely there. Okay, so I had to get undressed, and I'm like, yo, I gotta get all the way undressed. But anyway, like I said, being getting massages, Nakia is awesome at what she does, and let me tell y'all, them hands are blessed, okay? I got the full body massage, including, okay, the hot stones. And when I say that hour went so fast, I even went to sleep. And I always go to sleep during massage for some reason. But yeah, definitely needed that because y'all know I had a night ahead of me, okay?
Guys, I'm Nakia. I am the owner-operator of Touch of Love Massage Services. I always start with people. I start with the information of what massage is. So massage is the manipulation of muscles. Exercise is the manipulation of muscles. The only difference is we are manually using our hands to do those activities. So a lot of people look at massage as a luxury when really it's a health necessity. So I'm more on the medical side of things. So if you're experiencing any pain of any sort, muscles is 90% of pain, so I would recommend you to come and get a massage.
How can they follow you?
I do have my business page, Touch of Love Massage Services, on Instagram. I have Touch of Love Massage Services on Facebook, and if you want to set an appointment with me, you can look me up on Setmore. It's an app platform online where you can book appointments.
Hey, there you have it. And y'all, I feel like a new woman, but now it's time to parties. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
This is the weakest, give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
Yeah, I'm trying to conquer the world, coming from where I come from. Hey, this your girl, Mickey Truth, #1 blogger in South Carolina.